Sony is back again in 2026 with another premium OLED TV. But this time, things feel very different. Because the new Sony BRAVIA 8 II is not just a normal OLED upgrade. Sony has finally combined its legendary cinematic processing with a brand new QD-OLED panel, creating a TV that could seriously compete with the best flagship OLED TVs in the world. And honestly, after testing this TV, one thing becomes very clear very quickly. The BRAVIA 8 II is built for users who care about movie quality, cinematic colors, HDR performance, and true premium viewing experience. But at the same time, this TV also enters a very competitive category where brands like Samsung and LG are pushing OLED technology harder than ever before. And if you love TV reviews, comparisons, and smart buying guides, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Telefy TV, and turn on the bell icon because we upload the latest TV content every single week. Design and first impressions. The first thing you notice about the Sony BRAVIA 8 II is how incredibly premium and minimalistic it looks. Sony has gone with a very clean flagship design that feels modern, elegant, and extremely high-end. The TV is ultra-thin from the sides thanks to the OLED panel technology, and the bezels are extremely slim, making the display feel almost borderless while watching content. From a distance, the BRAVIA 8 II looks less like a normal television and more like a premium cinematic display designed for a luxury home theater setup. Build quality is also excellent. Sony uses premium materials throughout the TV, and everything feels solid and refined. The stand design is clean and minimal while still providing strong support for the large panel. One of the biggest upgrades this year is the addition of the new QD-OLED panel technology. Compared to older Sony OLED TVs, this panel allows the BRAVIA 8 II to deliver significantly higher brightness and much richer color performance. And honestly, even during the first few minutes of watching content, the difference is immediately noticeable. The screen looks brighter, colors appear more vibrant, and highlights feel much more impactful than previous Sony OLED generations. Another thing Sony continues to do extremely well is screen coating and reflection handling. Even in brighter rooms, the TV maintains very good visibility without losing too much contrast performance. The overall first impression of the BRAVIA 8 II feels extremely premium and cinematic. Everything from the design to the image presentation feels polished and high-end. Picture quality and color performance. Now let's talk about the most important part of any premium OLED TV, picture quality. And honestly, this is where the Sony BRAVIA 8 II starts showing why Sony still has one of the strongest reputations in the TV industry. Dark scenes look absolutely stunning. Blacks appear deep and clean without any blooming or backlight issues, while shadow detail remains extremely refined and natural. Movies instantly feel more cinematic because the contrast performance creates a strong sense of depth and realism. But the biggest improvement this year is definitely brightness. Older OLED TVs sometimes struggled to create very aggressive HDR highlights, especially in brighter rooms. The BRAVIA 8 II changes that completely. HDR highlights now look much more powerful and impactful. Sunlight reflections, explosions, neon lights, and bright HDR effects feel intense and premium while still maintaining excellent balance across the image. Color performance is another massive strength. The BRAVIA 8 II produces extremely rich, natural, and highly accurate colors that immediately stand out during movies and premium streaming content. Skin tones look realistic, gradients appear smooth, and color transitions feel very refined. This is one of the reasons why Sony TVs are loved by movie enthusiasts and home theater users. Another area where Sony dominates is image processing. The XR processor does an amazing job with upscaling, detail enhancement, and motion control. Overall, the picture quality on the Sony BRAVIA 8 II feels incredibly premium, cinematic, and refined. It may not always chase the most aggressive brightness numbers, but the balance between contrast, color accuracy, HDR performance, and processing quality is truly world-class. And honestly, for movie lovers, this is easily one of the best-looking TVs in 2026. Gaming performance and processing. Now let's talk about gaming performance, processing power, and audio quality. Because in 2026, a premium OLED TV is expected to do everything at a flagship level. Starting with gaming, the Sony BRAVIA 8 II delivers a very strong overall experience, especially for users who want cinematic gaming combined with OLED-level responsiveness. Gameplay feels extremely smooth and responsive thanks to OLED's near-instant response times. Motion clarity during fast games looks incredibly clean, and input lag remains very low for competitive gaming sessions. HDR gaming is one of the biggest highlights of this TV. Because of the new QD-OLED panel, games look brighter, more colorful, and much more immersive compared to older Sony OLED generations. So if you own multiple next-generation gaming consoles plus a soundbar or AV receiver, cable management can become slightly frustrating compared to some competitors that offer 4 HDMI 2.1 ports. Sony's processing also improves depth and texture detail extremely well. Faces, environments, shadows, and lighting all feel more realistic and lifelike compared to many aggressively processed TVs. And honestly, this is why many movie lovers still prefer Sony OLED TVs, because the image feels more natural and cinematic rather than overly sharp or exaggerated. Now moving to audio quality, the BRAVIA 8 II performs surprisingly well for a slim OLED TV. Sony continues using its advanced acoustic surface audio plus technology, where the screen itself acts like a speaker system. Bass performance is also stronger than expected for such a thin TV, though users wanting true home theater sound will still benefit from adding a premium soundbar or surround setup. Overall, the combination of gaming performance, Sony's elite processing, and immersive audio quality makes the BRAVIA 8 II feel like a true flagship entertainment system rather than just a normal OLED TV. Smart features and real-world usage. Now let's talk about the smart TV experience and real-world usage, because even the best picture quality means nothing if the TV feels slow or frustrating during everyday use. Thankfully, the Sony BRAVIA 8 II delivers a very polished and premium smart TV experience overall. Voice control also works very smoothly thanks to built-in Google Assistant support. Searching for movies, opening apps, or controlling smart home devices feels quick and convenient. Sony also integrates AI-based recommendations and personalized content suggestions, helping the interface feel more intelligent during everyday usage. Movies are easily the biggest strength of this TV. The combination of QD-OLED contrast, Sony processing, HDR performance, and color accuracy creates a cinematic experience that feels truly high-end. Streaming content also looks excellent because Sony's processing cleans up lower-quality video extremely well without making the image look artificial. Sports performance is another strong area. Motion remains smooth and stable, while the high brightness and OLED contrast help the image look sharp and immersive during fast camera movement. Gaming performance in daily usage also feels fantastic. Games look extremely responsive, colorful, and visually rich thanks to the OLED response times and QD-OLED brightness improvements. And finally, while brightness is massively improved for a Sony OLED, some ultra-aggressive mini LED TVs can still appear brighter in extreme HDR situations. But despite those small limitations, the overall experience remains incredibly impressive. Final verdict and conclusion. The Sony BRAVIA 8 II proves that Sony still knows how to create one of the most cinematic and refined OLED TVs in the world. Instead of chasing only extreme brightness or flashy marketing numbers, Sony focuses on delivering a premium viewing experience that feels balanced, natural, and incredibly immersive in real-world usage. The new QD-OLED panel technology brings major improvements in HDR brightness, color volume, and overall image impact, while Sony's legendary XR processing continues to deliver some of the most realistic and cinematic picture quality available in 2026. Movies look stunning with deep black levels, excellent shadow detail, rich colors, and smooth motion handling, while gaming performance also feels fast and responsive thanks to HDMI 2.1, VRR, ALLM, and 4K 120Hz support. The Acoustic Surface Audio Plus system adds another premium layer by creating immersive built-in sound directly from the screen itself, and the Google TV platform keeps the smart experience smooth and modern for daily streaming and entertainment. Yes, the TV is expensive, and some gamers may want more HDMI 2.1 ports, but overall the BRAVIA 8 II delivers a flagship OLED experience that feels polished in almost every area. If your priority is cinematic picture quality, realistic colors, premium processing, and a true high-end home theater experience, then the Sony BRAVIA 8 II is absolutely one of the best OLED TVs you can buy in 2026.